Hello wonderful people, hope you're doing fine wherever you're watching this video from. My name is Otenga Jr. and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, as you can see, I am coming live. I'm on the road, by the way. I'm headed somewhere. I'm headed back to Rongo town because there are some stuff that I need to go and bring. Wow, it is such a big day, a wonderful day in my life, how things are happening. And guys, if this is your first time coming across this channel, my humble request, please consider by subscribing. Turn on all the notifications so that each and every update that we put, you get to be notified. And again, please watch all the ads, because with that, hey, it's gonna help me, at least get something in return. Maybe you are coming across my channel for the first time and you doesn't know what we're dealing with. We are here to touch the souls of the people, vulnerable people, just to show them the other side of life. And that's now the reason why you need to subscribe to our channel, because once you do that, you show us love. Through that, we are also going to show them love, sharing with people. Maybe somebody might request something and you're watching this video and you're like, oh, I need to support them get whatever they want. Maybe it can be little, it can be much, but it depends with what you're gonna, So thank you very much, guys, for making dreams of my villagers come true. So yesterday by there I got a certain money and I've subdivided it. I've given Collims, I've given the boys, I've given Mama Boy. Now there is only one person that was remaining. And this person is Mama Paul. But I need to go back and recheck that again. I need to go back and recheck that again, because I need to check that again. So Mama Paul is remaining. But thank you very, very much. That money has really helped this family. God bless you so much. And guys, again, it is my wonderful time, because I usually say like there is time for everything. I'm on a footbridge. Let me show you. So I'm on a footbridge. So this is a river. It's called River Kuja. You can see, very big one. It is flowing in the village, and on the other side, it is also flowing. So there are times university students, they come and just relax. Today maybe they're having classes. Some go and sit down there, just enjoy the view, how River Kuja looks, how beautiful it is, So I had just to show you. So you see, it was made in a standard because it has a breathing space. Three. I think it has got 3 breathing spaces, not 3, 4. One is where it has got how many? Guys, I have to check. Let me not talk about something that I don't know. Okay. This is a space marking it the end where the bridge was put with the land. So here it is on the land. So I don't know if that one is called a breathing. Engineers in the house, let me know. I know this is a breathing space, that helps in the expansion and construction of metals, So there is a time this bridge expands and there is a time it contracts. Physics, physicians in the house. Another breathing, then another one is over there. So just giving you a little tour of the river. So people do sometimes take shower. You can see, that stone, you stand on the stone, you take shower. So mistakenly you drop and it doesn't know how to swim. It's gonna take you. It is gonna take you where a dream of no coming back. That is to say, you're gonna die. So you have to be very, very keen. So this is the village. From that end, you can see how beautiful it is. It is looking so amazing. So I was saying, guys, I don't know, but let me confirm something that I continue. My bad, guys. And it is good sometimes to confirm. I did not confirm this. I'm so sorry. Because I did not see the whole message, what I was sent for. So my friend Gimiko, who supported Mama Boy, he supported 6, almost 7 different people. Me, Otenga Jr., Mama Boy, Mama Paul, Collims, Prayer Lady, and Bravis Family, plus the boys. Wow, so I have got a task to do. So when I come back, hey, I did not see that. I'm going to give Bravis Family 2,500 Kenyan shillings, Mama Paul 2,500 Kenyan shillings, Prayer Lady 2,500 Kenyan shillings. Now that is the task that I am having. So I'm going to go and do that. I'm so sorry, because yesterday I thought, hey, no, something was hitting my mind. Why am I having some money? Why? But I did not see that. I did not read the whole message. I'm so sorry. And that one, I'm going to give them their money as you wished. You know, yeah, because you knew what you are doing. So I'm so sorry for that. Yeah, so I'm headed to Rongo Town. We're gonna catch up and show you what I'm gonna do. Stay tuned. Wow, so it's been a very busy day. Yeah, I'm back to Rongo, and I am waiting for a lorry, a tipper that I'm going to use to carry my son, the sand that is going to work in the village. Yeah, so you can see, yeah, the children are from school. Man, I'm just chilling here. This is Rongo, yeah, next to where I live. Yeah, that road is the one that is headed there, and the other road is headed to town, and this other side is headed to Rongo towards Kisii. Yeah, so let's wait for the tipper. We're gonna catch up.
Project my engineer engineer Machielo. Okay, how expensive? Expensive. Hey, there's about a project. Hey, we got about over 20 million. 20 million become a project. Hey, what? I imagine Martina Maringo.
Yoni yuko cool haraka. Pero kama cool sana. Kaso kaka yeno tu video. Kalau pecah marama layar kabisa.
Kaka project ni no dima be. Ko ndo mna do yo. Sando e mo tino kati cha kido ne mbolea. Be mana di tiel. Ini sani ko gol buya go. Ba ko mando ko ne ya. Ko ko ni ni buya go ko ba ka wat ne ngadi.
Mano ga ada ko so.
Buya go waro na ma ki bro ngadi ti miudo. Anu ginu da ni kel ko le o kene. Ko ga da tune ka.
The police post, so no bringing problem, no chaos around this area. Yeah, so now this place is called Kolenya. Let's see the view. Yeah, so guys, we are in deep inside the village of Africa. Yeah, road so bad, you know, squeezed, you know. If let's say another vehicle is coming, either it has to stop or we have to reverse. Yeah, so we are on our way to go hunt for the sand. Yeah, it's been a very, very crazy day, but it is what it is. The work must continue. Yeah, no matter how bad it is. So around this place is called Alara. Yeah, in Sakwa. Yeah, so yeah, let's see. Let's adventure. We're gonna see how it's gonna look. Yeah, because I can see there is a field of sand. Yeah, we're gonna see how it's gonna look. Yeah. Oof, so bad, man. So bad. Yeah, that field over there. Wow. Oh, man. Okay. Oh man, it's a big field. Huh? En gaya kucho. Majoka kakao gini ka? Oh. Wow. So today, guys, we are in another field. Last time we took the sand by the roadside. Yeah, today you can see we are on the other side of the world. One step mistake, we down, man. Oh, nataka kwenda huko the other side. Okay. Wow. Oh, inge odor targo. Yeah. Guys, we are man, the road is so bad, but thank God. I don't know how they get here. Wow, man, it's so bad. The road is so bad here. Wow. Doro turbo, eh? Wow, finally we passed. Man. Yeah, sometimes back places like this, we are calling them pundo. You know, cows love it a lot, you know, because it has got a salty things. Yeah, but let's see how it's gonna go, because we have to look for the sand. So they wash. Yeah, so finally we are here. Yeah, and you can see this is the field that these guys are getting the sand. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the technique, how it is being, yeah, it is being done, you know. Yeah, it's being washed here, thrown. Oh, I'm almost falling down here, guys. Yeah, so crazy day, man. Wow, crazy day. We're gonna see how it's gonna turn out. Yeah, he has to see a good site where he can park. Yeah, so this is the site, and I think these are the places that the sand are being washed, you know. Yeah, so each and every place has got, each and every person has got their places of washing the sand, you know. Yeah, maybe I can just show you the process, you know, what's happening. Yeah, so like that lady over there, she is washing it that way, you know. Yeah, to find sand inside it. Yeah. So each and everything is a process, you know. Yeah, so from this to this one that now you see over here. Yeah, something that now can work. Wow. Man, we had to do this. We had to do this. And those gentlemen there, they are working. I don't want to interfere with their privacy. Yeah, and again, the road is so bad, you know, where we were passing. Yeah, so they are making the road, yeah, down there. Wow. But I think it is just a fine sand, guys, as you can see. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, it can do good plastering, you know. With plaster, it is the perfect one. Yeah, so, but the work that is gonna do, the majority of it, it's just gonna be a plaster. Yeah, because Baba Frank toilet, yeah, it is going to use some wheelbarrows, and the rest are going to be used in plastering my house. Yeah, so they are making the road here. Yeah, if you are watching some documentaries in on YouTube, the worst roads, you know, so these are the kind of worst roads ever. Yeah, so they are trying to make it. This is the place that we were almost stopping, man. Yeah, so guys, let's do this. Yeah, it is inside deep in Africa. You can see this little boy, he's grazing the cattle. Yeah, you know, this place is a place like nowhere. Yeah, so guys, I was chilling here. In fact, this was at the other side. I was chilling there. Yeah, and as you can see, my eyes are a little bit red. I was almost tired here. Not even almost, but I was tired and I was taking some rest. Yeah, we are in the field and you can see now the lorry. Yeah, they have loaded the lorry. Now we wanna go. Yeah, we wanna pass this place. Then we go. The lorry is now, not the lorry, but the tipper is full of sand. Yeah, thank you, my angel from America. God bless you. Now I should not use mine, I should use our, because not only me, yeah, you are angels of different people. Thank you so much and God bless you, our angel from America. Wow, I wanna see. Woo, bad roads. You need to go with turbo. Wow, that's that. So right now we wanna hit the road from here to the village. Yeah, Media Lodge. That's the song. Wow, so we just wanna rush to the village. Yeah, we don't want to waste time. No time wastage. We ain't gonna waste any time. So as I was planning, by Friday we start the work at Baba Frank's toilet, and officially the work is gonna start. Yeah, the work is going to start. You know, this road is very dangerous. Yeah, very dangerous. You know, we're just afraid. Wow, look at that. You know, so these are the bases where they're washing the sand. Yeah, everywhere. Onegore gimoro donge. Kamana. 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 Yeah, so they are requesting for something small, guys. Like, okay, so ubedo chuodho kacha the whole day, yeah? Mane maisha mapile. Oh. Yeah, so they are telling me they usually be here in the mud like this every day. Wow. Ni sawa, okang'eyo kaka bro bedo, but ka gimoro deta bonyisi, sawa? Mera nyasaye mondo gwedhi. Haya, kamana. Ni sawa. Haya, ni asante. Yeah, so guys, we just wanna hit the road to the village. Yeah, the sand is full there, but major part of it we're gonna see when we reach in the village. Woo! Here we are. Oh, do I show the bottom? Oh. So So we are waiting for the driver to come so that we hit the road.
Yes.
Yeah, so guys, let's meet. Maybe if I see something interesting by the road, I'm gonna show you. If not, we're gonna meet in the village. Wow, that's the struggle here. The roads are so bad, you can see down there. Wow. He's driving at the same time. He wanna make the side mirror to be in the right position, man. You know, he's driving with one hand, the other hand is holding. So that the road is so bad, guys. But we're gonna make it. Yeah, we're gonna make it to the village. Yeah, these are the struggles. Yeah, but this is now a big truck. We fear nothing. Yeah, we fear nothing. Sana, eh? Oh, I don't know what they're looking down there. Yeah, but look at that tree. Wow, wow, wow. You know, this tree here, it is called orembre in my language, but it is used in catching birds. You know, it has got kinda gum. Is it gum? Yeah, kinda gum. Is gum English? Like glue. Yeah, kinda glue. Yeah, it stick birds together. So that one, look at how beautiful it is. Wow, it has got a very nice flowers, guys. And this area, what I've realized with this area, it is still having, yeah, old flowers, like you can see. Wow, all the corners and old trees. Wow, we stopped a little bit because they were looking for something else. Yeah, you know, if you have got a vehicle, you have to be checking everything that's taking place in it. Yeah, so guys, finally we are from where we were hunting the sand, and now we are finally here. Yeah, as you can see, today we've opened the gate because we want the sand to be somewhere here. Yeah, we want the sand to get inside the house. I'm chasing away the chicken. Yeah. Yeah, so there is some. Yeah, there is something that we are considering here. Yeah, I'm so happy because now we have got a sand that's gonna help Baba Frank get his toilet, and also another one that is gonna work. Yeah, here. Yeah, when I'll be completing my toilet. It is very late in the evening, and Aboy and Frank, they are from school. Aboy, how are you? I can see you're carrying your books, eh? Yeah, and Frank also is from school. Yeah, so we are here, guys. Yeah, with the sand and cement. With the sand. I'm even confused. Yeah, yeah. I'm telling him to give me a little time. Yeah. Wow. So guys, it is happening. It is happening. Yeah. The sand is here with us at the village. Wow. They usually say it is happening. It is happening. The sand is here with us at the village, and I'm so happy. Yeah, now Baba Frank's toilet, it is going to be fixed. Yeah, the work is going to work. The work is going to go on. Yeah, guys, I'm tired and hungry, so just bear with me even if I don't speak good. Yeah, so tired, man. Wow. Wow. Huh? Wow. Yeah, it has come to the fence. Wow. Yeah, so guys, finally we got the sand, and this is the one that is going to help us in doing the work that is here. Yeah. Eno yo mdo? Yeah, but onge shida. Don't wabro mix tomorrow. Yeah. So it is a deal done, you know. Yeah, so there is something that we need to fix here because this gate, it is having some problem. Ni sawa. Undonge koru chop maber adwokero kamano. Watudore. Wow. Jadalo. Donge chop maber. Koro wabo gine ne mori bro kero na kacha. Yeah. Donge maber. Donge maber. Adwokero kamano kabisa. Yeah. Wow. We chop maber. We communicate. Yeah, so I'm telling them to reach very safe. Yeah, we are getting in touch. Woo! So we have got the sand here. Yeah, we have got the sand. Yeah, we have got this. Korafia. Matine mekori digo lokino tigo full pin kanyo sawa?
Kaso kau gine upau gine lokai.
Wow. Mina bana. Ntie gimoro. Abiro. Oya, oimore uru. Udhiabul. Okay, I'm greeting some ladies over there. I'm asking them, they are going to dance. Yeah, give me a bull. Yeah, so guys, we have got the sand here, and they are going to drum. Kino ongeo mera, manyo kino sana. Kia kumepande. Mengangana kungangana. Ngega ni nerik. Oro hawa gala waila na. Iwazi ni mano dhiromo? Because gini dhiromo? Oko dhiromo?
Nyaka gigo kona kai.
Oh.
Oko dhiromo.
Okay. Bado kido nguntiere? Yeah. Yeah.
Wan ka donki wabiro waywa gine ka.
Oh yeah, kidi.
Samo ywa kidi wana kaka lodo.
Yeah.
Waendelea. Wanwange changu.
Okay. Yeah, so guys, I need to pay this gentleman here. There is work that you are doing for me here. Yeah, so we're catching up.
Amora menti ruoth. Nyasaye ting'wangi kendo kirange koda tongwangi maiye. Ajwango gelweti seche te Nyasaye mang'won. Erokamano ne okang'e ni nyalo yudo gima chiwo Nyasaye. Tisemi akenda se nyimi ni nitie Nyasaye manyalo gik moko duto. Amora ma gitudore, Nyasaye bede diergi malach. Amora ma giwuothe, Nyasaye bede diergi mang'eny. Ipuonjri kodgi e dhod chunygi ya Nyasaye mang'won. Ok nang'en gima kama nyalo timore na ya wuora. Agoni erokamano la kodhiambo ne ya Jehova. Amiyo nyingi duong'. Erokamano.
Yeah. Yeah, so guys, you've seen Prayer Lady. She has been praying here, and you know, once I told her about the money that I brought for her here. Anyway guys, I was down there at my house, our home down there, but I just came up here, so we started talking, but I thought I was on record, but it wasn't. Yeah, so I reached here and everything is fine. So I've explained to Prayer Lady that we have got 2,000 Kenyan shillings for her. And thank you very much, Gimiko. God bless you wherever you are. Yeah, these ladies, now the debt that they are having for the funeral, they are going to pay. And God bless you so much. And I just need to give her. Yeah, so I'm going to give her 3,000 Kenyan shillings. Then she's going to give me the change. That is 500 Kenyan shillings. Yeah. Akoro. And mano 3,000 Kenyan shillings. Koro idhi miya siling 500 kanyo mondo idong 2,000 gi 500. Yeah. Koro ena kamano. Ang'eni koro stress man in godo. Koro rumo, koro kitanda ni mani dwa nyiewo cha.
Dinge mang'iewo.
Yeah, to pesa mar liel isetie kori godo.
Agoni erokamano Nyasacha. Agoni erokamano kuom timona Nyasaye. Amiyo nyingi duong'. Iber pile ka pile kendo iwacho ni chunyi kik pare ni gimoro amora minyalo konyori go ya Nyasaye. Erokamano Nyasacha. Erokamano.
Yeah, so that's that. God bless you so much. She's praying here, and yeah, thank God. We are so happy. Yeah, so from Prayer Ladies Home, headed to another place. You know, we have to deliver. Thank you very much, Gimiko. These ladies are so happy. Let's go see the reaction of this old granny. Yeah, this is a Bravis home. Yeah, nobody's living here. I'm sorry. So we're here at this granny's home. This is a Bravis home, and Bravis family. I want to support, also surprise her. Yeah, she's here. Hey, better. You Mosca. Wadeko matin. Pole lakini. Asante. Yeah, koro. Gibora yudo kae matin. Tadwaro ni ngeni sani wadhi. Yeah, so guys, I'm explaining to her. I got money from one of our friends, that is Gimiko. God bless you so much wherever you are. Yeah, so he told me to give Bravis family 2,500 Kenyan shillings. And now the big tax that is giving the people headache here is the money for the funeral. And I just want to give her 2,500 Kenyan shillings. Yeah, so Angel Faria, give me a beach. Moningo benamio family mar Bravis family uni. Yeah. Kamano. So unevan mia nemas. Kila. Yeah, koro mano pesa di. Yeah. Koro 3,000 no, onegi ka 2,000 gi 500. Koro nikech aonge gi change, mina kinyi 500. Ya sekoni. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Come on. So guys, as she's saying, erokamano. Erokamano means thank you so much. So Gimiko, wherever you are, just see the blessing that you've done to these ladies. God bless you so much. And now they are going to be free of debt. Kosontie gimachelo? Onge. Ni sawa, idong maber. Mina kinyi 500. Ni sawa. So guys, that's a deal done. And Mama Paul was also to receive 2,500 Kenyan shillings. That was to help her, but she's not at home. So today is also another bad day for her, for me not getting her around. So tomorrow, yeah, it is gonna be a deal done. We are going to pay, give her that money. And our mom here, Mama Mike is looking for vegetable. Yeah, she's looking for vegetable to cook for the children. Ndio mabera kabisa. Mama koro wada dhi mielo gul matin. Shughuli.
Better later than never.
Yeah. Alafu guys, I've got my friend here. Mano machalo nade? Podi. Podi. Yeah. Kwa hiyo dreta boma na koni. Yeah. So we have got father here. Yeah, so guys, I tell you, it is hard anyway. But anyway, no problem. Yeah, no problem. God will provide the needs of the people who wants. But thank you very much, guys, for supporting me. I'm so glad today I got a son that's gonna work at Baba Frank's toilet, and also it is going to also work at my house. You know, yeah, it is happening, guys. First time getting a tipper full of sand in my house. I'm so much happy. This is Mike, eh? Mike, how are you, bro? Yeah, guys, Mike is here, man. Where did you go to? You went to work?
Yeah.
Oh. But now your work has been replaced, man. People have worked.
Okay.
Yeah, but don't worry. See, you will be working tomorrow.
Okay.
You came with the tools? Oh, what are those?
These are my clothes.
Oh, your clothes. You went. Where did you go to?
Kiteri.
Oh, Kiteri. Oh, you went with your dad? No. Oh, you went somewhere else. So tomorrow you'll be at home working, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, that is Mike.
Now, Father, we are going with him. Father, we go.
So guys, that's just the village life. I'm so glad. God bless you. Continue supporting us, subscribing to my YouTube channel, Rutenga Junior. It's been a tiresome day. Even if the video becomes so long, please, we're gonna rectify that. Hey, Nade. Ingama uweto. Come on, yeah. So just greeting the village people here. I'm with my cousin here. Maybe you want to say hello?
I have to say hello.
Yeah.
Very thanks.
Yeah.
Very thanks.
Yeah.
I get.
Yeah.
I very believe God.
Oh, what did you do with your money yesterday?
My money I pay for the debt.
Oh, for the death. Guys, I'm sorry for laughing, but he said he paid the money for the death.
Yeah,
Nango Buddha. Interior?
For the funeral.
Oh,
With my head now.
it's,
I can come free.
you can be free.
I'm free, not much
Imagine.
as such.
Come on.
Not much as such.
Yeah.
But now
Yeah, you are
I
good.
can walk between our.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I'm so happy for you. You did the right thing.
Now I'm very happy.
Yeah, you did the right thing. Jadu. Ingama wasegomu.
Yeah, go.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
can meet that cash. Some else. By now I can be walking.
Free.
I'm very free.
Free.
And I thank
Yeah.
that guy
For supporting you.
us.
Oh, yeah.
I thank even God
God, yeah.
and pray to him.
Yeah.
Also I myself.
Yeah, so guys, thank you very much for supporting Baba Frank too. Yeah, guys, you see, that is what is happening. They are still working. The ladies are still working over there. So more update of this house I'll be showing you tomorrow. So from here, my name is Otenga Junior, and I'm just saying bye. You wanna say bye?
Bye.
And God bless you.
God bless me next.
Yeah, bye.